We'll guide you through how to cancel app subscriptions on Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really useful to be able to do, as perhaps you went and subscribed to something in an app, for example, a subscription to go and remove ads or go and unlock some more features, but now you aren't using it or you don't want it for whatever reason. And this applies if it was a free trial as well, or if you paid. Now, usually when you go and cancel a subscription, you go and keep the benefits until you go and get to the billing date. Some cases they do end immediately, but that does vary depending upon the app. But we're going to guide you through this. So make sure it's this full guide and that's it. So to go and get started, we're going to need to go and locate the Play Store. So as you can see, the Play Store is just here for me. If you're struggling to find it, you can always swipe up, press search, and you can then go and type in Play Store and you should then go and see it. As you can see, there it is. Tap on it to open it up. So of course, this is where you go and get apps, but it's also when we can go and manage our subscriptions. What's really convenient is I'll guide you through how you can go and see a list of all of the active subscriptions. You can then go and review them and cancel multiple if needed to. So it's a really good way of checking on what you're paying for. It's easy to go and lose track. So what you need to do is go and head to the top right and you can go and press your profile icon. Now what you need to do is go down into the list, more from Google Play. And you want to go and find the option payments and subscriptions, and you want to go and tap there. Now at the top here, you go and see some different options, and we're looking for the option subscriptions. So you want to go and tap there, wait for this to load, and it may go and get an error, just press try again. Now when they go and open, you're going to go and see active subscriptions and then expired. So you can go through the active ones. I currently only have one, so it's a really easy process. And you can find the one you want to cancel. Of course, make sure you go and cancel when you want to and not the wrong one. So what you can then do is go and tap on it like so. Go and wait. You're going to go and see a bit more info about it, like the next charge. You're going to go and see the payment method, and then you're going to go and see the backup and what it includes. But at the bottom, you'll find the option for cancel subscription. So if you're sure, you can come down to the bottom and you can then go and press on cancel subscription. Wait for this to load. Read this through, understand what you're going to go and lose. You can go and give a reason for cancelling if you want. And then what you can do is you can go and press cancel subscription at the bottom right, go and wait, and like that, the subscription will now go and be cancelled. That's it, you won't be charged.